Hey guys, it's Attorney AMD here. In this video, I want to share some things that you should know as far as what should immigrants know about protesting, particularly if you are an immigrant and you are planning to participate in any peaceful protest. Number one, make sure you have memorized at least one or two phone numbers in case you are detained, arrested, or your phone is lost or stolen. Another thing that you should be well aware of, and that is knowing your rights. And so, guys, you want to be reminded that you have the right to remain silent if you are arrested by law enforcement or immigration law enforcement. You also have the right to not sign anything and to ask for a lawyer. Now, if you decide that you are going to answer questions, particularly concerning your immigration status, do not lie or provide false documents. Next, what are some of the potential risks to immigrants if they do elect or decide to protest? Some of the risks include deportation, having your status at risk of being revoked or terminated, and impacts to your future application that you may have filed or you intend on filing. So, guys, understanding sometimes a simple charge of even disorderly conduct or resisting arrest that can have serious consequences that can result in you being placed in removal or deportation, having your status, such as TPS, or if you're a DACA recipient, being revoked or terminated. And if you have a pending, let's say, adjustment of status application, or, for example, applying for citizenship, that could also have a negative impact on a pending future application. Now, guys, at these protests, what we've been seeing, there's been so much law enforcement, um, federal agent ICE enforcement, and even National Guards. In states like Florida, where I'm located, you also have Florida Highway Patrol officers who have been deputized to act as mini ICE agents. And so there's going to be heavy presence of law enforcement of all types at these protests. So you want to be mindful of that and remain calm and in a peaceful manner throughout the entire duration. Along the same lines, guys, your social media. Be aware that immigration is now looking at the social media of non-immigrants. So you want to be mindful of any photos, any posts, any comments, and videos that you may upload to your social media accounts or even the social media accounts of others, because that could have an impact on any future or pending application or even your removal proceedings that you have. In addition to if you are someone who has a student visa. Now, peaceful protests are just that, peaceful. And so that means any participation or activity that is violent or to persons or property, that is not or no longer considered peaceful. So you want to stay clear and do not participate in such violent or uh, activities involving violence to persons or property. Now, it's important, again, like I've said, to know your rights. You can Google the red card. It is a card that immigration organizations have put out that has a brief summation of what your rights are. I will try to link to this video, the red card, so that if you intend on participating, you can take a look, download it, and be able to have that with you. Again, remember, guys, while you're at a protest, you want to make sure that you stay clear and do not participate in anything that is chaotic, violent, or turbulent. Protests can very quickly start off as being peaceful, and in seconds or minutes, it has become violent, crazy, and chaotic. You don't want to be in that type of situation. And if that is starting to arise, you want to remove yourself. If you are given lawful instructions and lawful commands to move or step back, comply with the request. Otherwise, you risk or run the risk of being arrested. And again, like I said, make sure you have contact phone numbers. Be mindful of weather conditions. Be mindful of what the local laws are where you are actually participating in a protest. If you are going to be with others, create a buddy system and have a plan of if you guys separate where you will meet up. If you are a green card holder, know that you should have a copy of your green card that evidences that you have lawful permanent status. That is a requirement under the Immigration Nationality Act. And for those who are undocumented, be mindful of the documents that you carry with you. Guys, a lot is happening in the country. And so this is just a tidbit of general information for you to be aware of. Take it and research further before you make any decisions or elect to participate in a protest. I'm not sure if I said it already, but safety is always first. And for those of us or those of you who are immigrants, please note that there are consequences if you are arrested or charged that can impact your removal proceedings, your future application, or any type of non-immigrant status that you hold. So you want to be informed. This video was for general information purposes only. I do thank you for watching. Guys, please be sure to share the video, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I do thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Be safe and be well. Bye-bye.